One simple rule has saved people thousands of dollars. It costs nothing. It takes zero effort, and it works every single time. You see something you want. Maybe it's on sale. Maybe an ad found you at the perfect moment. Your brain says buy it now before it's gone. So you buy. And for a moment it feels good. Then the package arrives and you realize you didn't really need it. $50 here. $100 there. By the end of the year, impulse purchases have drained thousands from your account. This isn't about willpower. It's about breaking the cycle before it starts. Here's the rule. Before you buy anything that's not a necessity, wait 24 hours. That's it. Close the tab. Walk away from the store. Give yourself one day. Most impulse purchases lose their appeal overnight. That thing you had to have? By tomorrow you've forgotten about it, or you realize you don't actually need it. The 24-hour rule breaks the emotional trigger. You stop buying on impulse and start buying on intention. The Finance Reset Toolkit takes this even further. Before you buy, plug in the cost. See what it does to your savings goal, your debt payoff date, your runway. That $200 purchase might push your emergency fund back 2 months. The math makes the decision obvious. Wait 24 hours, check the math, then decide. Not with emotion, with clarity. The Finance Reset Toolkit includes a complete budget tracker, debt payoff planner, savings goal tracker, and an interactive web app that simulates your financial future. Stop buying on impulse. Start deciding with clarity. Tap the link in the description to get the Finance Reset Toolkit today. This video is for educational purposes only. Individual results may vary.